this is just a Peruvian girl traveling around the world, and today we're having seafood.
In the last episode we were at the main port of Peru, Callao, and we were sailing on a boat with some salsa music. And this time we're gonna continue to the posh area of La Punta. But first we have to get through Chucuito. This is an area full of colorful houses that lead us to La Punta. Welcome to La Punta. And the first thing we see is the Cantolao beach and the beautiful Malecon Figueredo. La Punta used to be a very popular place among the upper class of Lima and Callao. Even nowadays, there's still some private clubs here, like the Cantolao, the Regatas, or the Canottieri, and also the Navy School is here. Along the Malecon you can still see these rich mansions from the early 20th century just facing the beautiful beach of Cantolao. I didn't come prepared for going to the sea, but at least I'm gonna soak my feet, and it's freaking cold here. And like in Miraflores, this is also a double beach, but this one has no waves at all. It's almost like a swimming pool, a very cold swimming pool. Going inside the district, we can find the main square of La Punta, with the same antique architecture we saw in the Malecon, and also the main church of the district is here.
One thing of La Punta is that it's very small. It's the smallest district in, well, I would say Lima, but it's Callao. It's the smallest district in Callao. It's just have some blocks actually, because you can see that we have sea over there, just 2 blocks from here, and we have sea over here, just 1 block. So you can go to one side and the other in just a minute. Oh, this is a tsunami area, so Willie, what we have to do when a tsunami comes? Exactly. Did you notice something here? There's no noise. This place is the most quiet place you will find in, well, Callao, because as I said, this is not Lima. But if you are looking for a quiet place, this is your place, and probably there's no other place like this in Lima.
Okay, maybe not so quiet. Walking along the Malecon Pardo, just close from all the cevicherias, we will get to a place that is a complete surprise to me. It's the first time I see this. I have heard about this, but I've never seen this. This is Arenilla beach, and this is a place full of birds. Just some years ago, this beach was one of the filthiest of Callao. It was full of garbage and it was impossible to get into the sea. But now it's a bird sanctuary. Look at the amount of birds you can see here. It's a complete spectacle here. It's amazing how just some cleaning made this place possible. You can go on a boat and sail right next to the birds or come here and do some aquatic sports. There are so many birds here that it's very noisy. I can barely listen anything else. With these images, I say goodbye to Callao. I hope you like this, and I'll see you next week on the next episode where we are going abroad. We're going to Ecuador, to Guayaquil, to see some of my friends there. So see you then.
Cosa para la foto, igualito. Siempre nos vamos a mover con este sol ya.